Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if somebody offer 12 sunnah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will place a special palace in Jannah. What are those 12 sunnah? The Messenger of Allah said, Allah will build a house in paradise for whoever is diligent in observing 12 sunnah rakat, which are 4 rakat before Zohar prayer and 2 rakat after Zohar prayer, 2 rakat after Maghrib and 2 rakat after Isha, and 2 rakat before Fajr Fard. It is reported in Tirmidhi and others, but please remember that just following these 12 rakah, Allah will prepare a special palace for you in Jannah. Thank you.